आता पळोवया खबरो विस्तारान. गोंय एक ल्हान राज्य, ते खातीर टायगर रिझर्व करप समानी. तशें करीत जाल्यार खुबशे नेम आसात जे पाळपाक कठीण जातले अशें मत रान खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी म्हणलां. कांय पर्यावरणवादी थळावो वाठार टायगर रिझर्व करपाची मागणी करतात खरें, मात तें करप समा जायना अशें विश्वजीत म्हणटा.
Environmentalists who are there, we all understand that you are very passionate about the state of Goa. We are also equally passionate about the state of Goa. I come from an area and a constituency which is nested in the Western Ghats. And one thing I can assure the people of Goa, that Goa is a very small state. We have various issues such as core, buffer, and several other issues which are there. If I start reading from the Act what all is required for a tiger reserve, then the people will understand exactly what I am trying to say. Actually, I had just taken down a small pointers in order to make the people of Goa understand that I love animals. I love tigers. Tigers is one of my favorite animals, and also many times when people sometimes don't understand what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is Goa is too small for a tiger reserve because it doesn't have here tigers in the state of Goa. We generally find them through the tiger traps, the traps that are put for movement of animals in the wildlife sanctuary.